Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Gemini AI on your PC. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your computer, head over to Microsoft Edge. Once you are in the Microsoft Edge, search for Gemini AI. Here in the search results, you can see Gemini Google, so click on this first link. Now you will be prompted to the sign in screen. Here you can see the sign in option. You can sign into your account directly from the web too. Now, in order to download the Gemini AI on your PC, here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner. Click on it. You can see apps option over here. If you hover over it, you'll see install this site as an app option. So click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on install. The Gemini AI app has been installed in your PC. You can customize these permissions. And there you go. This is how you can download Gemini AI on your PC. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.